Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, April 10th, and we're going to take a look here at crude oil and the energies as a whole. And what I want to talk a little bit about is what to do or what we're looking at when a market goes parabolic, which is what we've basically seen with crude oil, RBOB, heating oil in the past couple of days. Crude oil, as you can tell, has jumped from 61 3/4 all the way up to 65 3/4 or 66 just about. So this is kind of the definition of a market going parabolic, increasing these gains extremely to the upside. So when we see something like this happen, normally what's going to follow is it's not going to continue on forever. It's normally going to have at least consolidation. Now, I'm not saying that the entire trend is going to come to an end, that crude oil is no longer going to climb and that it's going to turn around and reverse. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is that we expect at least consolidation, potential retracement from this. Now, there's good money to be made then, and how do we trade that? What do we look for when we're going to trade that? Well, let's go take a look at RBOB, for example, which is unleaded gasoline futures, very similar to crude oil. But you can see here, since Friday, we have not broken the previous bar's low on the 240-minute price chart. We've just been higher, straight up, all right? And we've really broken outside of that ATR with the energies of how far they typically will move. So what we watch for is for a break of the previous 240-minute price bar's low to trigger the retracement. And once that triggers, we use something like a value target for our target. So for example, over here, you can see last time we kind of went parabolic. It jumped through the roof just about as much as we have here in a 2-day period. And the very next day, pulled right back down, went into consolidation. Pulled back down undervalued, and then turn around and continue the up move. So keep an eye on that when you're looking at markets like this. And in full disclosure, I'm currently short crude oil. But when you're looking at a market like this and you see, for example, crude oil that's gone straight up like that, and you see a market go parabolic, watch for that very quick retracement. Last time you can see crude oil did that, we rallied from 62 all the way up to a high of 65 3/4, almost the exact same move that we just had here. And what do? Pulled back from that 65 3/4 high all the way back down to 64, even just about 64.10. All right, so you had about $1,300 a contract that you could be trading to the downside on that retracement. So again, when you see a market go parabolic, it doesn't mean just jump on there and be selling it as it climbs. Wait until it breaks the previous bar's low. Once that happens, then you look for your entry, and you can look for it to turn around and come back down the opposite direction a little bit. So that's it for today. That's the only thing I wanted to really talk about here. Hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Again, be watching this for the retracement tonight or tomorrow in crude oil, RBOB, and heating oil, all three of those energy markets. So that's it for now. See you tomorrow. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.